Okay, guys. So what we got right here are all of our elements, okay? So different colors are gonna represent different elements. All right, guys. So what we've got are several different equations, and we're going to be balancing these equations using these right here. So we've got H2, so that's hydrogen gas, plus O2, oxygen gas, yields water. So that's a synthesis reaction. We've got two new things that we're using to make something else. Okay?
Yeah.
So H2, we're going to use, let's use white to represent hydrogen. So H2 would be two whites together. O2 would be two reds together. So on one side of the equation, we've got H2 plus O2, and on the other side of the equation, we've got H2O. So H is our white, O is our red, okay? Oxygen is red. So in order for a equation to be balanced, I've got to have the same number of each element on each side. Do I have the same number so far? Reese, what you got? Do I have the same number on each side?
Nope.
No, I've got more reds on this side than I do on this side. So I've got to add a molecule. Now, I can't just add a single red. I've got to add a whole molecule of water. So I'm going to add another water molecule right here, but I'm still not balanced. Now I've got twice as much white on this side as I do on this side. So what do I need to add now?
Another red.
Another red or doing another white?
Another white.
So I need to add another white molecule on this side. So I add a white. So now do I have the same number of white molecules on this side as this side? Okay, so same number of white atoms. So I've got four hydrogen. And I've got how many atoms of oxygen?
2.
2 and 2. All right, so is this balanced now?
Yes.
So all I've got to do now is write my coefficient. That's the number in front. So this is telling me how many molecules it took to balance it. So how many molecules of hydrogen did it take? Got one molecule here and one molecule here. So how many molecules of
2.
hydrogen? 2. So I'm just going to put a number 2 right here. How many molecules of oxygen?
2.
How many molecules of oxygen?
2.
1.
One molecule. 2 atoms, but just one molecule because these guys are bonded together. Okay? So if it's 1, I don't have to put the number there. How many waters did I end up with?
2.
2. All right, so my balanced formula is 2 hydrogens plus 1 oxygen yields 2 waters. Okay?
Man, that's it.
All right.
Stop.
Yep.